Righto. So, this is what I'm going to use to make, well, first of all, this is part 1 of this video. So, on the side of this, there's going to be another part 2. There's only going to be 2 parts for this. So, this is, a spade, or a small gardening spade. I'm going to use this and a brick because I don't have a hammer. This is not my house, but it's the backyard of my friends. So, let's get carrying on. What we're going to do first is let's take a look here, and I'm going to take our spade and pick a nice, good looking. I think best to start off with wood. So if I pick this up and put it here. This is part 1 of this video. You see, it does take a long time to upload, so this is part 1 of my video. I'll go on from here next.